So this is pretty cool. MyCaseBuilder, check that out, MyCaseBuilder.com. You can custom make any case, basically the inserts for any of the cases here. And this is something you can do online. They've got a variety of different type of cases and such that they are able to do, depending upon your needs and how you want to do this. What you can do is you can go through and go up to the, can you show me the auto trace? So you can go in there and take a photo of, say, a device that they don't already have into their template, which is, again, all online at the website. So there's that little microphone. They've got that. You take the picture on a white background, and it auto traces, and basically will then give you the template and such, so you can go and put that into the case and have it so it will be cut out of the foam. Auto traced, and then it can be cut out of the foam and have a custom-made case for it. So you can do the variety of different things. Say you wanted to do your microphone, and you wanted to do some packs of some sort, or you want to do something unusual and putting a few different things, you can do that. You've got a lot of common pieces already there, and then of course you can custom add pieces, so you can have a case that has all sorts of different capabilities. Microphones, whatever you want to do, wireless stuff, just a really neat thing there. You can go out and check that out. Again, go out to mycasebuilder.com, and you'll be able to customize your case and get yourself something that will fit your gear the way you want it to.